You're signed in with the exact same PlayStation Network account. The other thing you want to make sure is that both the PS5 and the PS4 have the latest software update installed. Now, if you're connecting the PS5 and the PS4 with Wi-Fi, you want to do one additional thing that's going to speed up your transfer by quite a lot. So if you have a lot of data, I really recommend that you do this part. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a LAN cable, also known as an Ethernet cable. And if you don't have one, I will leave a link to a compatible one down in the description below. And you're gonna hook it up to the PS5 in the back, and then the other connection is gonna go to your PS4. And this is gonna speed up the transfer significantly. So I really recommend that you do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So I plugged it into the back of my PS5. Now I'm gonna plug it into the back of the PS4. And there we go. We see LAN cable connected on the top right here. That tells us that the LAN cable is connected to the PS4 and the PS5. Now you can do the data transfer during the initial setup of the PS5, but if you skip that part, I'm gonna show you how to get back to it. So go ahead and grab your PS5 controller, go up here to Settings, then you're gonna go down to System, and then under System Software, you're gonna go under Data Transfer. So that's where you wanna go, and go ahead and press X. And here you go, this is the screen you wanna be at, where you transfer data from your PS4. Go ahead and hit X to continue. So go ahead and press X to continue. And it's gonna search for your PS4 on the network. And if you did everything correctly, you should find it. Okay, great, PS4 found. Okay, so within this time limit here, you have to go ahead and press the power button for 1 second until it beeps, and then let it go. Okay, so on this screen, it lets you transfer all the saved data from your games and applications over your PS5. On the right here tells you how much available storage you have on your console. And just taking a quick look, these are all the games and apps that I have installed. I'm gonna go ahead and select all for this screen. And this should be pretty quick because it's not transferring the games and applications over this. It's just to save data from those games. So I'm gonna go ahead and select next. Okay, on this screen, you get to select all the games and apps you want to transfer over. So I'm just going to transfer a few small ones over just so you guys can see the process. I'm going to do HBO Max application as well as Fall Guys, since it's really small. And then you're going to go ahead and select next. Again, you can always come back and do this later. Okay, here we see that the PS5 is ready to do the transfer, and it gives you the estimated time right here. Since we're not transferring very large games, and since we have the LAN cable connected, it's only gonna take about a minute or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the transfer by hitting X. So it does warn you that it may restart your PS4 during this process. And now it's gonna go ahead and restart your PS5. And here we see on the top right that it said transfer completed. So it does take a little while after your PS5 restarts.